Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video it's just a really short, quick demonstration of the iCarsoft VAWS version 1.0. We're in an Audi here, but the tool is suitable for VW Audi Seat and Skoda vehicles. And what you can see on the dashboard here, we've got the airbag light, we've got the ABS light, and we've got the flashing glow plug light. So the flashing glow plug light actually means electrical fault within the engine system. So it's a misconception that this generally means like a glow plug fault. It can mean a glow plug fault, but it doesn't always mean that. So you need one of these tools to actually diagnose that and reset that correctly. Okay, so if you are interested in this tool, it's quite an advanced tool for the price you pay for it. It is available at Diagnostic World. Now make sure you use the link in the description below this video, because there are fakes, there are clones out there, and they can damage your vehicle. Okay, so use that link to make sure you're getting the genuine tool. Right, so what we'll do is we'll go to click in the diagnostics menu and we'll select Audi, just select the version number, and then we can either select our vehicle, but I find it easier just to go into the system selection and manually select the system that you wish to diagnose. So we're going to go into the engine control module and we're going to hit read fault code. Yeah, read fault code, come on. There we go. Firm press, and it's giving us, don't worry about these U codes, because from time to time you will get these U codes, which are just like communication failures, but that's nothing to worry about. It's the same again. This is what you need to be looking for, something like this. So we've got a P 123700, and the fault is fuel injector cylinder 1. So that's the kind of thing that you're going to get. That's the kind of fault that you're going to be looking for. Really, is that in focus? There it is. That's the kind of fault you're going to be looking for. Once you've found the fault, once you've fixed the fault, generally it's going to probably be something like a sensor. So once you've fixed the fault, fixed the sensor, then it's just a case of really coming back, going into clear fault memory. And when I do this, just keep an eye on the flashing glow plug light. Click OK. Okay, there we go. You need a firm press, and the warning light has gone off. Okay, erase operation done, which is good news. So that's really how it works. If you're looking at the let's say the ABS light, we go down to the brake control module and we'll go to read code again, and this is a separate fault we've been getting, actually, the tyre pressure warning. That's because the TPMS warning light is still on at the minute. It just randomly came on and I haven't had the chance to check that out properly yet, but we do know that's on, so that is on my list of things to look at in this car. But for this video we're looking for an ABS kind of fault, which is this one here, C101B14, front right ABS wheel speed sensor open circuit, short circuit to ground. So that indicates that there's a faulty ABS sensor, which we knew in this car. Once we put the new one in, then it's just a case of going clear fault memory. Again, keep an eye on the ABS warning light, that one there, when I do this. And there we go, and that's the TPMS warning we've been getting. So that's unrelated, but we'll look at that soon. So the ABS has gone, and then the last one we'll look at is the airbag light. So we'll scroll down to the airbags. Oh, there it is. We've gone past it. Airbag system. And again, the process is really the same. Find your fault. Once you've fixed the fault, like a faulty connection or faulty seat belt, something like that, it's generally like a sensor related or a component. Once you fix the component, once you fix the sensor or replace the sensor or component, then it's just a case of clear fault memory. Keep an eye on the airbag light when this is done. There we go, erase operation done, and the airbag light has gone off. Passenger airbag is back on. Alright, so that is in a nutshell, the VAWS version 1.0. How it works, you can also get like live data from the system, from like every system. So you can get live data from your ABS sensors, you can get live data from the engine system, DPF live data. When it comes to like special functions or service functions, this one is quite limited in what it has. This will only have the ability to do oil service resets. I'm just scrolling through here, showing you the different systems which it will cover. Yeah, I'll show you the service menu on this tool in a second. So if you are looking at, say, maybe doing these functions, but you also want to get a lot more service or special functionality out of the tool, like things like DPF regeneration, new battery registration, then I'd probably recommend going for the VAWS 3.0, which we've also done a video on, just on this channel, so maybe have a look at that video. So if you go to the service menu, it gives you oil service reset and steering angle sensor as well. So those are the two service, quite limited, but you will get more services in, say, for example, the version 3.0. But check that out on the channel. Guys, thanks for watching. If you are interested in this tool, then by all means just click the link in the description below this video. It will take you to the genuine and official product. There are fakes, there are clones out there. They can damage your vehicle, so it's not worth going down that route. That being said, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.